I'm guessing that was your intention, to make it to where it was really bulletproof as a piece, and they couldn't try to take something from here or there and try to assassinate the piece, kind of the way they would character assassinate a person, almost like character assassinate the film.
I was collaborating with over 20 investigators, top researchers, and about 20 doctors that were our ongoing resources that, email threads went around, circulated daily. So every new point that would come up, I would put it in the group and say, poke holes in this, show me where this is wrong. And the points that we could not ourselves prove wrong are the ones that made it into the film. And so they're going to have a really hard time. They're trying. If you saw Politico's, which I have a little piece that I'll read in a minute, but if you saw Politico's attempted hit piece, it's really a joke. Especially if you read the whole thing, you really get the sense of how they play the game. They change little words as if I made a statement that I didn't make, and they debunk a statement that people don't remember whether I made it or not. It's an hour-and-a-half film. They don't know if I said it or not, but they'll actually, based upon a fictional statement, they will then determine that a claim is inaccurate. And we can go line by line through the political thing and just expose them for what they are, because this is another group that is often funded by Bill Gates and all of the big pharma allies, and so they're ready. They probably had this pre-written, but the funny part of it is they actually said they reached out to you and I, and we didn't respond, and this thing came out immediately after it showed, and so at what point would we have had time to respond to them, right? So that's just all in a way to make it seem shady that we are avoiding their challenge.